Okay. This is so weird. You guys, my head is like in the middle of the damn camera. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of trying to do everything I can right now to make this work. I'm filming on my iPhone, so I won't get to edit. There's number one. Number two, please ignore all these little hairs that you see. My hair has fallen out a lot after having kids, and it looks like some of it's starting to grow back, so it's kind of awkward. I should put some product in it. And then these little hairs here actually were part of my widow's peak, and I waxed it. I used to wax it, so now they're growing back, and I think I'm just gonna let them grow. Anyway, I'm at my mom's, so please excuse the food in the background. This is like her little pantry room, and where the hell is, I can't even see where my camera lens is, so sorry. I think it's right over here. Anyway, sorry if I'm not looking at you. I'm just kind of looking at the screen. Anyway, so if you notice, my hair is pink because I used Ceracolor conditioner in rose gold, and let me tell you guys, I'm not a big fan. I'm not a fan of it. They have a bunch of good reviews. I almost got the silver blue, but I went with a rose gold. I don't know why. I don't even like pink. But anyway, I'm not a fan. It looks really good actually on camera, but in real life it just looks like it's been like I had my hair colored, and it's just really washed out. Anyway, so I just want to update you guys on my life a little bit. If you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I started my own business. I am this close to starting it for real and like working and all that good stuff. I am going to be doing full body waxing. My business is called Waxology Skin Studio. I'm so excited. I got my Washington esthetician license. As you guys know, let me try to actually move this down. As you guys know, I originally got licensed in California, then I moved, and then I got licensed in Oregon, and then I moved again, and I got licensed in Washington. Oh, shoot. Okay. Sorry, guys. It's just gonna have to work for now. Who's here? Can't escape people, you guys. Anyway, so Lordy, there we go. So I got licensed in Washington. So now I got my business license, I got my city license, and my salon shop license. So I already have a location where I will be working, which I'm really excited about. I'll be working at, I used to babysit for her, but she owns a salon, and she does hair and nails and some facial waxing. So anyway, I will be doing full body waxing, and eventually I will be doing facials and makeup. Do you see what has happened? Some of it's really pigmented and some of it's not. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be starting probably at the beginning of October sometime, because I've just purchased my stuff thanks to my parents. I'm going to be paying them back. Luckily it wasn't too much, but I ordered from Star Pill Wax, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be using their Star Soft Wax, which is a soft strip wax. I'm not a fan of hard wax. I have worked at European Wax Center before, and I know their wax isn't the best wax, but every time I've tried hard wax, I wasn't a fan. I do want to use it eventually, because I know there are some better brands, and I have friends who use those brands, but I just need to kind of get good at using that kind of wax first. So yeah, so I'm really excited. I'll be doing brow tinting too. That'll come a little bit later because I need to purchase the product for that. And I'm so excited, you guys. I want to say thank you to everyone who has stuck around with me throughout these years. I think I started YouTube in 2008, and I mean, I haven't come too far. I haven't really been consistent, but thank you for everything and all the nice comments and all of that. And also, if you guys want to follow my business page, it's Waxology Skin Studio on Instagram. I will be posting, you know, work-related stuff on there. So, waxing, I need to figure out how I'm going to do that. And then makeup and stuff, because I'll be doing makeup eventually too. Yeah, so thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys there. If you guys comment or anything, I will definitely, you know, respond if you have any questions or anything like that. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.